the like button if you loved it and click the red color subscribe button along with the bell icon. Today we are going to make chicken biryani. For this you need 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. After it gets heated, add some biryani spices like bay leaves, cloves, etc. Now add some chopped onions. Add some chopped green chilies. Add chopped tomatoes. Here we added 2 to 3 tomatoes. Add some turmeric powder, manjal podi. Now we are going to add green paste. This green paste consists of mint leaves, pudina and coriander leaves, kothumeli along with ginger garlic paste. Add some salt for taste, uppu. Now here we are ready with some fresh washed meat, and now add them into the gravy one by one. Now add some water to get your meat cooked well. Close the lid until the chicken gets cooked. Add a packet of biryani masala. You can even add your homemade one and of your choice. But here we are adding Achi biryani masala. Add some salt for the meat. Add some red chili powder, vatal podi as per your spice. Now you can even add some chopped potatoes, and it's optional. Add all your soaked rice. For making the rice get cooked, add some hot water into this. For 1 glass of rice, you should add 2 glasses of water. Add some yogurt. Yogurt should be added at the starting of the recipe. Place the tawa below your utensil to prevent burn with the food to the utensil. Our chicken biryani is all ready. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Start serving hot. Button if you loved it, and click the red color subscribe button along with the bell icon.